Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Princesses from Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. We found this at the Disney store. I ordered it online. It had a suggested retail price of $99 for ages 3 and up. I have to admit, the main reason I am excited about Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet is the Disney princesses all together in casual wear. This set comes with 13 dolls, 12 princesses, and Vanellope. On the back of the box, there are scenes from the movie showing many of our favorite princesses lounging around. Whoa, that look on Ariel's face is priceless. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Wow, there is a lot of packaging here. I'm talking wires, rubber bands, so give me a minute. Oh no, some of the dolls have a few side effects from the packaging. Ariel has some discoloration on her legs. Unless she's supposed to be that way, maybe she's sunburned. I don't know, I haven't seen the movie. But her hands are rubber band to her neck, causing some strain on her elbow joints, and it's making her arms curve a little. Out of the box, they stand about 6 inches tall, making them about half the size of a Disney classic doll. I really would have liked to have seen these as 11-inch dolls. But even though they are half the size, they still have pretty good articulation. The head can turn from side to side. They have rotation at the shoulder, elbow, hip, and a bend and snap knee. Some of them can be balanced to stand. It's a little easier with the ones that have sneakers on. These dolls have unique facial expressions. Here is Moana. She has a very concerned look on her face. She's wearing an orange sparkly t-shirt, shorts, and a necklace. She comes with a coconut drink, but she has no way to hold it, so I guess you can just place it in her lap. Ariel has a big smile. She wears a lavender t-shirt and green sparkly shorts. Both Ariel and Moana come with no shoes. Snow White looks very surprised. She comes with a pair of glasses, wears a blue shirt that says poison, has green polka dot pants, and green shoes. Merida looks ready for an adventure. She has on a dark green plaid shirt with a tank top underneath, khaki shorts, and brown shoes. Aurora is looking to the side. She has on a striped shirt that says Nap Queen, holds a cup, wears metallic pink pants, and wears pink shoes. Mulan's look is definitely one of my favorites. Her hair is cut to the shoulder. She wears a red and cream jacket with dragons on the front, a light blue tank top, black jeans cuffed at the bottom, and red sneakers. I love her facial expression and all of the layers to her outfit. Yeah, she's definitely my favorite. Pocahontas is very pretty. She looks very pleasant. She wears a necklace, long sleeve t-shirt, yellow tights, and tan shoes. Tiana is laughing and has one eye closed. She wears a green off-the-shoulder shirt, light green pants, and brown shoes. I really like how she's smiling, but I would have preferred if both eyes were open. Belle has a smirk on her face. She wears a yellow tank top, metallic gold pants, and tan shoes. Jasmine is rocking her signature hairdo. She's smiling, has on gold earrings, wears a teal tank top, blue sparkly pants, teal sneakers, and she is holding an inhaler. I guess we'll have to watch the movie to find out what that's all about. Rapunzel's expression is priceless, but I like it. I think it's adorable. She has long hair, a sweatshirt hoodie, purple tank top, purple leggings with suns on them, and sneakers with purple laces. I think this is my second favorite outfit. Cinderella looks very surprised to be here. All dressed in blue, she has on a long sleeve t-shirt, pants, and blue shoes. And she comes with a broken glass slipper. Last but not least is Vanellope. Standing around 3 inches tall, she has sculpted hair with little candies in it, a sculpted sweater, ribbon skirt. I think it's kind of cool that they added that fabric detail, printed tights, and black shoes. She can move at the head, her arms move together, forward and back, and her legs can move at the hip. She can easily stand on her own and looks very interested in hanging out with the Disney princesses. Overall, I love the idea of casual princesses. I wish this set included Elsa and Anna, and I find some of the facial expressions limiting. But I do love seeing the princesses in a whole new look, and their size can make it a little easier for crafting when it comes to space. Maybe we can pretend that Tiana is always saying, "Yeah, right." All right, everyone, I'm going to the pool. Yeah, right. Nobody eat the apples. They're poisoned. Poisoned? Yeah, right. No, seriously, Tiana. I wouldn't joke about this. Yeah, right. Okay, so there are definitely ways to have fun with these facial expressions. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Disney princesses from Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.